run wild. Whoa, I run wild in the night. Oh, I run wild. I run wild. Ooh, I run wild. I run wild. Ooh, I run wild. I run
Yeah, so I finally made a start, slowly chipping away at it. We've got the port side pretty much tidied off, and then a couple of hours to go on the starboard side here, just getting it all cleaned up. Don't know if I'm shooting myself in the foot here, but I'm going to try and refit this smashed off piece, because at least it gives me a good idea of the shape instead of reforming the whole shape. Sort of gives me a bit of a guideline. I'm not going to build it with the conventional boat building techniques of frames and stringers. I'm going to do plywood and plywood forward, and then run my bendy sticks and just form the shape that way, working with that piece as well. And yeah, a lot of fun. A couple more hours to go on this side, and we're pretty close to being able to fit up new pieces and start getting an idea of what it'll look like. So let us know how many times I smack myself in the hand with the hammer. If you rewatch the video, you might be able to see that. The first two people that get it right, I'll send them out some Snickers bars and instant kiwis. Just DM me your name and address, and I'll send it through to you. Cheers.